Doors opening, step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Orange Line train to the Carlton, next station, West Falls Church.
Step back, doors closing.
Doors open. This is a red line train to Greenbelt when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Cleveland Park. Step back. Doors open. Step back. Doors open.
Doors opening. This is a Green Line train to Greenbelt when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Congress Heights. Step back. Doors closing. Doors opening. This is a Green Line train to Greenbelt when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Taylor Road. Step back. Doors closing. Doors open. This is a Green Line train to Greenbelt when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Long Park Plaza. Step back. Doors closing. Doors open. This is a Blue Line train to Addison Road Seat Pleasant when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Capitol Heights. Step back. Doors closing. Doors open. This is a Silver Line train to Ashburn when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is Eastern Market. Step back. Doors open. Doors open.
This is the last Orange Line train in the direction of Carlton and downtown Washington, D.C. Next station is Virginia Square.
Step back. Doors closing.